Okay, so welcome, and in this example, I'm going to solve the system of two equations here with two unknowns, and we're going to solve this algebraically using those steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite one of these equations in terms of one of the unknowns, and since this one already has an x there, this will be the easier one to write. So I'm going to write this excuse me. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this one as x equals 3y plus 6. Okay? And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this value in for x. And so if I do that, what do I get? I get 2 times what? 3y plus 6. So all I did was substitute in for x, and just instead of writing x, I'm going to write 3y plus 6. And then the rest of this I'm going to just copy down. So plus 3y equals 3. And now, notice now I've changed this equation into an equation that just has one variable in it. One unknown. So now I'm going to simplify this and solve for y. So I'm going to distribute the 2, right? So that's going to make this 6y plus 12 plus 3y equals 3. And now I'm going to combine like terms, and I get 9y plus 12 equals 3. And so I'm going to now subtract 12 from both sides. And that gives me 9y equals negative 9. And so then I get, when I divide both sides by 9, I get y equals negative 1. And so now I've found the value of one of my unknowns. Now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to take this y value and I'm going to stick it back into this equation that I solved x for. So now I'm going to write x is equal to 3 times negative 1 plus 6. And so that means x equals negative 3 plus 6, which equals 3. And so the solution to the system is 3 comma negative 1. And so now, if I go back and check, I stick 3 comma negative 1 into both of my equations. See if I get a true statement. So the first one's going to give me 3 minus 3 times negative 1 equals 6. And so if I solve this, this gives me 3 plus 3 equals 6, and I get 6 equals 6, which is a true statement. So I'm done with that one. So it worked there. Now, check it in the other one. Here I get 2 times x, which is 3, plus 3 times y, which is negative 1, equals 3. So now I'm going to solve and see if I get another true statement. So I get 6 minus 3 equals 3, and of course this equals 3 equals 3, and so again, I get another true statement. And so it works in both, and therefore it is a solution. So my answer is the point 3 comma negative 1. And that's it.